Okay, this is Phoebe. And I tried to take a selfie video just now, and it was hopeless because I cut her head off. So now I've got a volunteer to sit here to hold her, just to show you how super lovely she is. Yeah. She's got such a gorgeous face. She just wants to snuggle. She's so affectionate. Come on. Ah, you're looking for my biscuit. Phoebe. Phoebe. Hey. Phoebe. She's lovely. She's about 15 kilos. I think she might be Shar-Pei Podenco kind of a mix, because she's small and thin, quite thin, and the face is thinner, so that she has the Shar-Pei features. Hey, come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Yo, 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 yo. You're a beauty.